Welcome to this unboxing video of the Seiko diver I have with me in front of me, and I'm so glad that you're here to join me in this unboxing. I got this watch on loan from our boutique. I gotta thank Eric for his generosity in loaning me all these watches. So I'm just gonna take this out from the outer box, and I'm quite sure Eric has given me the wrong retail box because this is for a Seiko 5, the newer Seiko 5 models, and let's just see what we've got inside the box here. And this is the King Samurai, the Seiko King Samurai. I think this watch was launched earlier this year, so it's got a few upgrades from the more regular type of Samurais, namely I believe it's got a sapphire crystal this time around, and also it's got a ceramic bezel insert. Alright, so some upgrades done on it, and it's also got the textured dial. I think it's called tapestry kind of dial design or dial texturing. To me it looks like waffle or chocolate bars. So let me just get the packaging out of the way first. So now with the packaging out of the way, we've got a zoomed in look on the texturing on the dial here. So to me it looks like a chocolate bar, waiting to be broken up. But this is called the tapestry dial. I think this is very common with a lot of AP watches, or is it on the Patek Aquanaut. So probably a fan favorite kind of a dial texturing. And on top of the sapphire crystal, Seiko has also added a Cyclops lens to the date window. I'm definitely not a fan of the Cyclops lens, but I'm sure again there are fans going for such things. So let's take a look at the reference number of the watch. This is the SRPE35K1. I think there should be 2 or 3 King Samurais launched earlier to mid-year of 2020. This is the black dial version with a bracelet. There is one on a white dial, and that one comes on a rubber strap. And finally, I think there is one Manta Ray version, and that is Save the Ocean version 3 limited edition. So they've added some really nice touches to this one here. I think they've got a gold plated seconds hand, and Diver's 200 meters is also printed in sort of a gold printing, probably trying to give the watch a very gilt dial kind of look. At the same time, it's got modern features like ceramic bezel. Alright, so definitely an upgrade on the more regular production Samurais. We'll do a comparison in the full review video. All things else look like they're the same casing, same bracelet, the same Seiko bracelet with the stem, clasp and buckle. So stay tuned for the full review of the King Samurai SRPE35K1. Alright, so we're going to do a comparison as well with the other 2 Samurais that I have with me right now. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.